Namaskar students. Myself Dr. Kirti Joshi, Assistant Professor, Food and Biotech Department, and today's session is about iodine deficiency disorder, that is IDD. Iodine. It's an essential micronutrient required for synthesis of thyroid hormone, that is T3 and T4, fetus and neonates protein metabolisms in brain. RDA of iodine for infants, it is 50 milligrams for 15 micrograms. For children it is 100 micrograms, adults 150 micrograms, and pregnancy it is 200 micrograms. And sources: seafoods like sea fish, sea salts, cod liver oil, small amount in milk, meat, vegetables, cereals, etc. Variable in water from 1 to 50 micrograms per liter. Iodine content of water and crops depend on the iodine content of the soil. Goitrogens. Vegetables of Brassica group, that is cabbage, cauliflower, radish, etc. contain goitrogens as thiocyanates and cyanoglycosides make the iodine of food unavailable for the body. Can be inactivated by heating. Iodine deficiency disorder refers to a spectrum of health consequences resulting from inadequate intake of iodine. It's a major nutritional problem spectrum of diseases from intrauterine to childhood and adulthood. Problem burden: more than 7% of world population suffers from iodine deficiency. Serious problems of third world countries like India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Indonesia, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. Severity higher in Southeast Asia in world. In India, sub-Himalayan goiters belt in world's most instance goiter endemic region affected nearly 120 million peoples. More extra Himalayan foci close to low-lying hills, Chota Nagpur region and other regions are included. Iodine deficiency disorders. In adults, there may be hypothyroidism, hyperplasia resulting goiter, lethargy, poor cold tolerance, tachycardia, toxedema, infertility. In fetus and infants, there is cretinism, mental retardation, hearing defects, speech defects, squints, disorder of giants, as well as growth retardation. At the time of birth, there is stillbirth, miscarriage, and neonatal hypothyroidism. Spectrum with increasing severity. Disorders goiter, and there must be in grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, or multinodular. Hypothyroidism, varying combination of clinical signs. Subnormal intelligence, delayed motor milestones, mental deficiency, hearing defects, or speech defects. They may be variable according to their severity. Squints, nasogums, unilateral or bilaterals, speciality, neuromuscular weakness. These weakness may be in legs, arms, and trunks. Endemic cretinism, hypothyroidism, or neurological cretinism, intrauterine death, that is spontaneous abortions and miscarriage. Clinical features through the life cycle: fetus and neonatal, there is abortion, stillbirth, congenital abnormalities, high prenatal and infant mortality, low birth weight, neonatal goiter, lethargy, poor feeding, prolonged physiological jaundice. Infant and early childhood, cretinism, mental deficiency, squint, short stunts, hoarseness of voice, deaf mortinisms, motor speciality. Child and adolescent, retarded mental and physical development, goiter of juvenile hypothyroidism, puffiness, thickened dry skin, dry rare hairs, eyelashes, eyebrows, delayed sexual maturation. Adults, mental and physical underdevelopment, sleepy and slow impaired mental functions, enlarged thyroid, hypothyroidism, etc. Epidemiological assessment of iodine deficiency for surveillance of goiter control program indicators are prevalence of goiter, prevalence of cretinism, urinary iodine excretion, thyroid function test, prevalence of neonatal hypothyroidism. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 JV University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.